Navigating foreign judgment enforcement in China. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about a critical challenge for many foreign business operating in China or engaged in international trade. What happens when you secure a judgment from a foreign court, but you need to enforce it against assets or individuals located right here in China? The process can seem daunting, but China's civil procedure law, specifically Article 299, provides the fundamental framework. It outlines two main avenues for recognition and enforcement: through international treaty or based on the principle of reciprocity. The first and often most straightforward path is the treaty avenue. While China hasn't had formally acceded to key multilateral conventions like the Hague Judgment Convention, it has forged numerous bilateral judicial assistance treaties with many countries worldwide. These treaties typically contain clear provisions for the mutual recognition and enforcement of the civil and commercial judgment. If your country has such agreement with China, it establishes a predictable and direct route for your enforcement application, significantly streamlining the process. For countries without bilateral treaty with China, the principle of reciprocity comes into play. Historically, this often requires strict factual reciprocity, means there need to be a prior precedent of that foreign country's court having recognized a Chinese judgment. However, Chinese judicial practice is increasingly evolving. We have seen a more expansive interpretation moving forward legal reciprocity based on the possibility of Chinese judgment being recognized abroad, and even reciprocity consensus established through judicial memorandum such as the landmark one between China and Singapore. This dynamic approach significantly broadened the opportunity for enforcement, making the process more predictable than ever before, even without a specific treaty. Ultimately, navigating this intricate and continuously evolving legal pathways for foreign judgment enforcement in China requires specialized expertise. For foreign invested enterprises and international trade participants, understanding these nuances is critical to protect your legitimate rights in China.